Welcome back, guys. I got some new goodies from Motor Million. I'm on my way to the garage to drop them off, and then we are going back. As far as I can see, these are screws and gas spacers for your throttle spacers to fill up the slip. What do you call it? The slip, not the slip. The play in the handle. I got some Ducati fuel cap. We got new indicator lights, the really fancy snap-on lights. So it replaces the bulky lights, and these will just snap on your on the fork. Oh, really excited for this one. I got an inline cooler for extra coolant, and I think this is a wind cap for on top of the speedometer. In the car, glasses on, starting the car. Choo, it's electric, and let's go. Fully protected by, oh my god, do I have my key? And if you go on the terrain, you're being monitored by a dozen cameras. So finally arrived. And look what kind of goodies I have, guys. Like I said, I have a oil cap, I have a new gas cap, some very fancy screws that are way too expensive, new blinkers for my for the front that will snap on the fork, if I'm correct. I have a wind cap, I have an inline cooling system that I'm not sure how I'm going to install it, but that's something we have to figure out. But it looks sexy, bro. It looks sexy. The bridge. Okay, so the first part we're going to install is this piece. But I have to figure out how it's going to be attached to the bike. I do have instructions, but they're not extremely clear. I think I have to completely detach it. Okay, be right back. Wacht even, moet de andere kant op. Kom maar. Shit. Is er?
Dat.
Huh?
Die tape of zo.
Nee. So this one is on.
Gewoon een briefje, gewoon likken. Doe je niet aan likken.
It is not extremely beautiful, but not sure what to think of it. But we will see. Maybe it can grow on me. Maybe some stickers on it. It is high. What do you think? Even fucking knipperlichtjes, maat.
Heb je al die campingplaats op de fiets? Dat is ook af.
This is the one that goes back, but I have to make sure that this one goes on here. Okay.
Het stuurde dus net als het naakt voor de spiegel stond en ik besefte het, ik was net wakker. Ik zo.
Oh, dat ik met kinderen.
Kijk nou, ik had screenshot moeten maken.
Ik was aan het gymmen. Dus ik ben
Nee joh.
16 meter in de snel onder de douche naar boven en die pokken snel weg.
Ja, ja, of niet?
Oh god, ik heb dan what the fuck, ik klik die pokken snel.
Weg. Ga ik maar rijden hier maar. Gewoon aan de kant. Ik ga even zo nog die pislamp aan onze
So we are going to replace the stock one for an inline cooling pipe. So what I just did, I put this pipe from the radiator, and you can see the hole over there now. It's too dark, but yeah, it completely emptied out. So now this one needs to go.
Ja, turbo. Dat valt nou.
Okay, I forgot to film most of the installments, but so far we have a wind cap, but I think I'm going to take it off. One, it does not match the bike. It's too much elevated, if you know what I mean. You see, it does not blend with the bike, and the main problem of this thing is, I don't know if you can see it on camera. It shakes heavily. So when you're riding the bike and you're going into dimples and bumps and this thing shakes so violently that I'm almost thinking that it's going to break at one point. We have placed the quick action system, but it's leaking as a mofo, so I think I need to put some rubber sealant. I think I have to take it off. Whoa. Can I think I can take it off to seal it, but I have to figure that out, and otherwise it is practically unusable. Look, so when you drive and all the gasoline goes this way, and then you stop, it gushes to the front and it spills out at the front, so everywhere is gasoline right now. We installed the inline cooling system. I have to say, this looks freaking sexy. Is it hot? Yes, it's hot. But this looks sexy. Really sexy. There's one over here and there's one behind there. It's a shame that you don't see them both, but you will see one. If you see them both, it will be awesome as well. Maybe you can see right through there. Yeah, maybe. But yeah, I'm gonna take the gas cap off and see if I can put some sealant around it, and then I need to put spacers between my gas handle And I need to put on a new oil cap. And something soft. So can I do it like this? It worked perfectly. It is nice and flush in. That is the old one, new one. It's nothing fancy, but it's the details that count. That is sexy. I have to show it in mirror. Well, there it is. There it is. Nice and flush. I feel so dumb. I feel so dumb. Okay, but there was no instruction or anything. So there is a rubber sealing on the original gas cap, and I think you have to reuse it. Well, I don't think. I'm sure. Okay, well, we can test it out. Test it out. So if I go back and I go in front and it still spills. Can I? No, I cannot reuse this. This is completely separate. I managed to get the gasoline spillage to a minimum, but I'm still figuring out to get it completely gone because I do not want to spill gasoline all over my bike over and over again. So I'm still figuring out how to reuse this thing. Maybe I can pull something apart. Never know. If I found something, I will let you know. Okay, I figured it out. You had to reuse the old gas cap completely, except for this part. The rest you screw it off, and then so now the leaking is completely stopped. I'm not sure if you can see it, but no, you can't see it. No, but okay, you have to trust me. It's working now. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, you know what to do. See you in the next one. Bye!